Bring outside! Go ahead, come on! Beat his ass up. Come on, this guy's weak. He can't do nothing.
Can you please stop bothering my kid?
I wasn't bothering
Just
you.
stop.
I was